Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to help you learn one of the most important skills in English, how to talk about yourself.
And I'm David. Whether you're a beginner or someone who just wants to feel more confident, this episode will give you simple sentences, real examples, and everyday conversations. By the end of today's podcast, you'll be able to introduce yourself clearly and confidently in English.
Section 1. Why talking about yourself is important. Talking about yourself is usually the very first thing you do when you meet someone new. It could be at school, at work, online, or during a trip. If you can introduce yourself clearly, people understand you better and feel more connected to you.
Exactly. And you don't need big, complicated sentences. Even simple sentences like my name is, I am, and I like can help you communicate confidently.
So today, we'll break things down step by step. We'll show you how to talk about your name, age, hometown, job, hobbies, personality, family, and more. And of course, we'll give you conversations you can practice. Section 2. Talking about your name.
Let's start with the most basic part, your name. You can say, my name is, you can call me,
For example, my name is Sarah, but you can call me Sari.
or I'm David.
If your name is hard to pronounce, you can add, it's a little difficult to pronounce, so I can repeat it slowly.
Great tip. Many English learners feel shy because people can't say their names correctly. But remember, it's okay.
Section 3. Talking about where you're from. Next, let's talk about your hometown or country. You can say, I'm from, I live in, I grew up in.
Example, I'm from Mumbai, and I live in Pune now.
Or, I grew up in a small village near Delhi.
Adding a little detail makes your introduction more interesting. For example, I'm from Jaipur. It's famous for its beautiful pink buildings.
Section 4. Talking about age, optional. Talking about age is optional. Some people don't like sharing it, and that's totally fine.
But if you want to, you can say, I'm 21 years old. I'm in my 20s. I prefer not to say my age. This is okay too.
Section 5. Talking about your job or studies. Now let's talk about your job or what you study. You can say, I work as a, I'm studying, I'm a student at.
Example, I am a software developer. I build mobile apps.
Or, I'm a student. I'm studying English and graphic design.
If you don't have a job right now, you can say, I'm looking for work. Or, I'm taking a break from work right now.
Section 6. Talking about your family. Family is a big part of introductions. You can say, I live with my family, I have 2 siblings, my parents live in.
Example, I have one brother. He's younger than me.
Or, I live with my parents and my grandmother.
You don't need to give too much detail, just whatever you're comfortable sharing.
Section 7. Talking about hobbies. This is my favorite part. Hobbies make you sound friendly and interesting. You can say, I like, I enjoy, my hobbies are.
For example, I like playing cricket, watching movies, and listening to music.
Or, I enjoy cooking and trying new recipes.
Add a reason if you want your introduction to feel more natural. For example, I enjoy reading because it helps me relax.
Section 8. Talking about your personality. It's also nice to say a little about your personality. You can say, I'm a friendly person. I'm a little shy, but I open up once I get comfortable. I'm hardworking and curious.
Example, I'm an easygoing person. I like meeting new people.
Or, I'm quiet, but I'm also very creative. Section 9. Talking about goals.
Talking about goals shows confidence in direction. You can say, my goal is to improve my English. I want to travel the world. I'm working on becoming a better version of myself.
Adding a goal makes your introduction memorable. Section 10. Full introduction examples. Now let's create a few complete introductions so you can hear how everything comes together. Example 1. Simple introduction.
Hi, My name is David. I'm from Bangalore. I work as a digital marketer. I enjoy traveling, photography, and meeting new people. My goal right now is to improve my communication skills.
Example 2. Student introduction. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from London, but I live in Mumbai right now. I'm studying business management. I love dancing, reading books, and cooking. I'm a friendly and curious person. I'm learning English because I want to study abroad. Section 11. Mini conversation practice.
Let's do a small conversation to show you how introductions happen naturally.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. I'm David.
Where are you from, David?
I'm from Hyderabad. What about you?
I'm from London, but I live in Mumbai now.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm studying business.
That's great. I work as a designer.
Cool. What do you like doing in your free time?
I enjoy drawing and watching cricket. And you?
I love reading and dancing.
That's awesome. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Section 12. Common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Saying, my age is 20. Correct, I'm 20 years old.
Mistake 2. Saying, I am working student. Correct. I'm a working student.
Mistake 3. Saying, I live India. Correct, I live in India.
Mistake 4. Using too many long sentences. Keep it simple.
Section 13. Practice time. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence and you can repeat after me.
Hi, my name is...
I'm
from...
I work as I am a student.
I enjoy...
Section 14. Final advice.
Remember, confidence comes from practice. Speak slowly, take your time, and smile.
And don't worry about mistakes. They are part of learning.
Outro.
Thank you for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow our podcast for more simple English lessons.
See you in the next one.
Bye!